Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about line pattern. We're going to delete some extra unused line pattern. Okay, so how to do that? If we go to this additional settings in manage ribbon, click line patterns. As you see, there are lots of line pattern already set by default in Revit, but there are some extra line pattern import from CAD. When I upload or import CAD drawing, extra CAD line drawings import add in this line pattern list. Okay, so we don't need this line pattern, import line pattern. Okay, I want to delete this type of import line pattern. Okay, so if we delete this line pattern, just select and delete it. Delete, then yes, okay. As you see, this line pattern deletes one by one. It doesn't work with bunch of all line pattern. It doesn't select with control or shift multiple times for delete this line pattern. I want to delete bulk specific line pattern in at a time. Okay, we want to use dynamo with Python. So now we're going to start with dynamo and also with Python for delete this all type of extra unused line pattern. Okay, just so let's start. I already did this script, already make it, and as you see, there is a specific name string. Just write in this input box and related this import name, line pattern name, and click this run. See, we can see this outcome list. This all type of import added, import string with which include all type of line pattern name, which include this import string add all names. You see, this all line delete in this Revit project. So if we create this script and save it, we can use it and save lots of time. Okay, let's start. I just close this dynamo player and also close this say script for now. Now in this dynamo interface, click new. Okay, first of all bring the Python node. Python script node, and I just manual from automatic for now for safety. Double click on this script and click this icon for set the right side in this dynamo interface. I just delete all this node, all this syntax, and first import some library. Okay, first of all import library. There is some library already written, so I just copy it and paste it here. Control C and Control V. So this is the library. All data transfer from this library. We need this library code. So this is the input. This input is this one, line pattern name. Data should be passed from this. First of all, collect all line pattern. collect all line pattern, line styles. Say variable name, we can use line styles. Filtered element collector, filtered element collector from document, it's the method. Then of class, line pattern element is the class, line pattern element should be collect all lines, so 2 elements. Okay, so now this is the filtered element collector line pattern of class, from class element. If we go to Revit API link, we can write this line pattern element class. We can see the public class. This is the C# code. This is the line pattern element. We should copy from this and paste it here. Okay, so this is we can read this an element that represents line pattern. Okay, this is the class. So go to this dynamo interface and start transaction. This is the code. We can collect all line pattern. Now start transaction. I just copy the transaction code from the library, from the template. We can just copy and paste it, and should be line pattern delete process should be within this transaction. Line pattern already collected. Now start the transaction. I just copy transaction from in template, copy it, Ctrl C, copy and paste it. Okay, now start the iteration process and collect all line pattern name. Okay, so collect elements to delete. We can use the comments, collect elements to delete. Variable store variable name can be pattern, and pattern and delete name should be delete name. Okay, now start iteration for line style, ls line style. In this line styles, copy it, enter. If now if line style contain should be this name. If line style all line pattern contain this name, this import string all name, there's some kind of line pattern contain this import string. Okay, this all line pattern should be deleted. So if this line pattern, see copy line pattern name in ls dot name. So dot name is the properties. So patterns dot append ls dot id and now delete names dot append should be ls dot name. All line patterns ID, line patterns ID, and collect all line patterns name, and also collect the all element. Dot append ls. Okay, so now second part is the delete portion. If pattern to delete, if patterns before delete this line pattern, we need to collect with the .NET list. We need to ensure this ID should be similar, this ID should be checked with the .NET list ID, element ID. Okay, so how to do that? Element ID list, element ID list is the variable, and system dot collection, then generic, and then dot list. So this is the I collection list, then not this bracket. So element ID patterns. So now delete the line pattern. Doc dot delete patterns So element should be this one. Copy and from this paste it. After that, close the transaction. Just copy this transaction template, copy and paste it here. Now done. Now final portion is we need to find out, we need to show the data, line pattern data, line pattern ID and line pattern element. So to do that, before run this script, we need to show the line pattern which we want to delete, this line specific line pattern. Actually I just need to Control Z. Okay, this all import line pattern should be will be want to delete this all line pattern. So now this run this script and let's show how to delete this script. Okay, Python, there is a error. Script already worked. If we show this line pattern dialog box, we can see all line import line patterns except this, because it holds some invalid characters. All import line patterns will be deleted. Okay, so why this message show in this dynamo interface? I just check this. Okay, if we delete this for now, say okay, now run it. Okay, it works. I just read, just Control Z. Okay, now run this script. Okay, great. This it works. So this all ID and which line pattern deleted, it shows in this list. Okay, so that's how we create, that's how we very short way and time saving procedure, all data edit or delete from Revit file easily with this this Python script. Okay, so that's it for today. We will show in next video tutorial. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.